changed my mind about Mexican food. Here's what you need to know about Tortilla Quemada. Conveniently located in the heart of Sukhumvit area in Bangkok, this place will remind you have a nice lazy hot summer day in Mexico, strolling up to it and asking for a nice cold brew. Who doesn't love real authentic Mexican food? Tortilla Quemada, a dine-in and takeaway place that serves all superb authentico homemade Yucatan Mexican fare. In true Mexican canteen style, this place serves up mean spicy cuisine, enough to keep your taste buds begging for more. These tortilla chips and all the wonderful sauces can be seen here described on our TikTok and YouTube channel. Follow Forzia. Click here to watch the explanation of the sauces. https://bit.ly/2tops. My most favorite, yes you guessed it, is the habanero sauce, which is the hottest, yet I could go hotter. The potatoes with shredded meat topped with sour cream was tasty with the tacos and the dips. The nachos chips were fresh and crunchy. You know that loud crunchy eating you hear now on TikTok eating videos called ASMR? LOL. I felt like I should have been recording this. Oh well, next time one. When these tacos came out I thought wow they looked super delicious, they were so tasty I cannot even believe it. Furthermore, the overall combination was superb. I am not quite sure how to describe the taste of these ones other than saying they were spectacular. Wowzers, the jalapeno crunch and splash of spiciness, squeeze of lime, fresh tomato slices, middle removed, and the succulent slow spicy cooked shredded chicken was to die for. It is such great wholesome food and you definitely want to eat there and take home an extra large doggy bag. Feeling completely stuffed to the brim, Colin brings out this mouth-watering, full-flavored enchilada. I have not had an enchilada in so many years, and this was the bomb. The big enchilada. The tastiest enchilada. Tortilla Quemada doesn't hold the cheese. These are two unbelievably tasty enchiladas covered in a green spicy sauce with loads of gooey cheese. I mean really, the enchilada are smothered to death and that is the only way to eat this. Moreover, this enchilada was stuffed with grilled chicken inside and the flavors of the verde sauce was so piquant and relishing. Of course, it doesn't need the sauces but a splash of pico de gallo homemade at Tortilla Quemada would be a great addition to this. I have been to Mexico so many times and I love the enchiladas, chimichangas, burritos and all. Anything Mexican is my all-time favorite. Can't wait to try other things on the menu next time. One last thing, I asked Colin what quemada meant. It means burnt and to the translation is the burnt tortilla. I mean what a cool name for a restaurant. Anyway, nothing is burnt here. The only thing you will remember about this place is the outstanding flavors, the umpteen different sauces, and the canteen-style dining was very Mexican. Feeling like Mexican food? A very full and grateful tummy. Thank you to Colin for taking the time to sit and chatter about Tortilla Quemada and his life experiences. Bravo!